question number 1. We're given that 3x plus y over x minus 3y equals -1. And we have to find out the value of this. Now, because there's two unknowns and only one equation, I'm 100% sure that not even the smartest person in the world could work out what x and y are. There's just a billion combinations. If this is a well-constructed question, it has to work for all of those combinations. So I'm just going to make up a value for x and y, make up a combo. First, I'm just going to make it a bit more friendly on my eye by timesing both sides by x minus 3y. So all I need is an example where y is twice x. So let's work with y equals 10, x equals 5 as a special case. You have to write this so it's clear using the extreme case strategy. Now, then we would have 5 plus 3 times 10 over 3 times 10 minus 5, which would be have I got this right? Oh, sorry, that's 3 times 5 minus 10, so it's 35 over 5, which is 7. So there we go, that's the answer to that. In question number 2, we get this crazy crisscross diagram. It doesn't give you any information about the angles. Not that even the smartest person in the world could work out what those angles are. So I'm just going to take a super nice version of this diagram where the middle quadrilateral is a square. There's nothing to rule this out. And where all the little corner triangles are all isosceles triangles with 45 degrees in each corner. And what the question wanted was these. So I would write, let's take this as an example. Okay. Now the crisscrossed angles there added up to 360 because that's 8 times 45. So that's the answer. And question number 3. Shop advertises buy one get one half price. For this, the average cost of item is the same as, and that gives you 5 options. Well, it doesn't mention anything to do with how much particular prices are, so let's just take an example. As an example, you could buy one for £2, get another for £1. Just make the numbers nice and simple. Okay, now, in this case, average cost, well, the total cost is £3, there's 2 items, so it's 1.5. And now you just go through the options. 2 for the price of 1. So 2 for 1, your total if you bought 2 for 1, you only pay £2, you get 2 items and the average will be 1. If it was 3 for the price of 1, you would pay £6. Oh, wait on. If it was 2 for the price of 1, you would pay £2, you get 2 items, and your average cost per item would be 1, just 2 divided by 2. If it was 3 for the price of the 1, you would pay £2 in my example. You would get 3 items, and the cost would be 2/3, just 2 divided by 3. What about 3 for the price of 2? If you had 3 items, you'd pay £4, so that'd be 4/3 as an average. What about 4 for the price of 3? If you had 4 for the price of 3, you'd get 3 items. Oh no, sorry, you get 4 items. You'd pay £6, and the average would be that divided by that, which is divided by 4 is dead easy. You just halve twice, that's 1.5. And there it is, there's our answer. So in other words, buy one, get another half price is the same price regime as 4 for the price of 3. We've just proved that with our example of something that would cost £2. There we go.